my name is Louis Rivera. Today is February 8th, 2013. If you might be asking yourself why I'm looking like this, it's because I'm going out in a blizzard for science and to throw out the trash. I'm bored, okay? If anybody finds this, tell my children I love them. If eventually my children are ever found, if I had any.
Did the TV go out?
Yes.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Well, the power's not out. It's just the TV.
No, TV went
This
out.
is why the TV went out. Holy crap skis.
Well, be careful.
I will.
People don't go out there, man.
I'll be okay.
You have to shuffle that. Why don't you go through the backside? It's easy to get to the thingy.
As a good woman, she always recommends going through the backside. Wait. Stop.
He's going outside to throw out the garbage.
Stop.
God, I'm fucking stupid. I don't know why I'm doing this. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at that.
Damn, hold up.
I'm jumping.
No, get the shovel. Shovel some of that out.
You know what?
Get in here.